Hi and welcome to Digital Forest. Today in this tutorial we will add a video background to our website. So what we'll do, like first we need to prepare our video. We will be using this video as a background for our website. So before we begin, please make sure that you also get a poster for your video, so in case if a video won't load on any browser or any device, instead of playing that video it will show the static image. So what we'll do, like let's consider this is your website and you want to add a full screen video to this website. So first what we'll do, like we will make this section full height. So what we'll do, like we will modify the CSS of this section, like we will increase the minimum height of this section to, let's say if you want this one to have a full height of your current browser, what we'll do, like we will set it 100 vertical height, and we will assign this property to our style.css. I have this project open up over here, so we'll go to the style.css and at line 46 we will modify the height of our header to 100. So this will make the header of this website 100% in terms of height. So next we can adjust the position of this content block. So we'll inspect this block and we will assign a little bit. Yeah, that's it. So we will add this styling at the extreme bottom of our style sheet. So once done, you can reload this to check the positioning. Yeah, that's it. So next what we'll do, like we will add a video parameter. Before that we need to move our video and poster to the respective folder. So we'll open up the project folder. Here inside img folder you can paste the video bgvideo.mp4 and the poster of your video, which will be poster.jpg or png, whatever the file format is there. So next what we want to do, like we will create a new div which will occupy the full width and height of this current div from here to here. So let's inspect this. Inside our header we will create another div for our video. So to do that, head over to the index.html or main file of your website. Within header we will add a new div, and we will add a new class for this div so we can stylize this later. We will name it video pg. That's it. Next we will add another div and we will assign it a class video gradient. We will use this div to add a filter overlay above our video. Next we need to create another div for our video, and we can just name it video vbg. That's it. So now we need to add video to our header. So for that we will use this tool. We want this to autoplay. We want the video muted so it won't be playing any music. We also want our video to loop continuously, and we want to assign it a spatial ID, which we can set as, you can say it VPG1. That's it. Next we need to define the source of our video. Inside the img we have this video is pgvideo.mp4. and we need to define the type of our video. We will set it as video mp4. Okay, so now we have video loading perfectly fine. So next what we need to do, like we need to make this video of full width and height. To do this we will modify some styling. We'll make sure that our parent div, which is video bg, should attain full width and height. So to do that we will add some styling here. We will define it first. We will define the position of this div, which should be absolute to our parent div. We need to set width is 100%. Height should also be 100%. Yeah. So if we set this, you will see like this width, this div is fully adjusting itself to its parent div. We also need to add a negative C index to this div. So we will make it the index -1. Yeah, that's fine. Next we need to remove this background image. It's already there in this current template. So to do that, what we'll do, like we'll simply disable this background class, which is set to main header div at line number 46. So we'll jump to line 46 and then we will remove this background image. We can also remove this attribute here. Reload. Yeah. So next we need to make our video attain full width and height. To do that, simply select the video div here. Next we need to adjust our video class, so make sure you select it by its parent div here. Should set height as 100 vertical height, so it should automatically adjust the width as per the height of this video. So we'll simply copy this style to our style sheet. Next we need to remove this black overlay. So this you can either remove or you can either add a gradient over it to assign a filter over the video. So what we'll do, like first we'll disable this at line number 50. This whole div. Now as we already added this gradient class to our video, so we'll modify that. So using this website called uigradients.com, you can copy or you can create your own desired gradient. So we need to make it little dark. So yeah, that's it. So simply copy this CSS, and next we need to assign this gradient to this div. Yeah, so we also need to modify the positioning of the div. So it should be positioned absolutely from left. It should be 0 pixels. From top it should also be 0 pixels. We can set it to 100%. Alright, we can also set to 100%, and we can change the opacity of this div to 0. We can slightly adjust it as per our own requirements. So yeah, I think this looks fine. We will add this styling to our style sheet here. That's it. Using this technique you can add any video as a background to your website. So in case if you have any comments or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section of this video. Thank you.